everybody, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the another virtual lecture of your math subject. I hope everybody is fine. Now everybody sit properly and focus your camera on your faces. Everybody focus your camera on your faces. Welcome to SM Public Academy Campus 5. This is your math subject, class 3, and I am your teacher, Mrs. Sana Rais. Now our topic in chapter time is conversion of units of time. In the previous lecture, we studied how to tell the time in quarter past, half past, quarter to, and then we studied about the AM, PM, and now we will study about how to convert the units of time. In this topic, we will learn how to convert the minutes into second and hours to minute. Before starting to convert the unit of time, we should know the standards of units of time. So we all know that in a clock there are seconds, minutes, hours, and these hours make a day. And we all find this time in a clock. And when we come to the days, week and year, we find it through the calendar. Okay? When we come to the day, weeks and year, we find through the calendar. So, seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Okay. In the same way, when 60 minutes make 1 hour, 60 minutes makes 1 hour, and 24 hours is equals to 1 day. It means that 1 day consists of 24 hours. Okay, and 7 days is equals to 1 week. Okay, 1 week consists of how many days? 7 days. Okay, and 52 weeks makes 1 year. In a month there are normally 4 or 5 weeks, but when we come to the year, there are 52 weeks in a year. Okay, some weeks have 4 weeks, some weeks have 4.5 weeks. Okay, but in a year there are total 52 weeks. Okay. Then 365 days make 1 year. Alia Junaid, better sit properly and ask your brother to don't disturb you. So 365 days make 1 year. So for conversion, you should all know this standard. We all know that when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. Yesterday in the conversion of weight and capacity, what we did we multiply. Okay. So here you can see when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, whether it is kilogram to gram kilometer to meter, and liter to milliliter. What we did, we multiply. Okay. In the same way, if we want to convert hours into minutes, what we do, we will multiply. Okay. Remember, the bigger unit always multiply to convert into smaller unit. Okay. In the same way, when we convert a smaller unit to bigger unit, what we do, we divide. Okay, what we do, we divide. For example, if we want to convert minute to hours, what we will do, we divide. And if we want to convert milliliter to liter, we divide. If we want to convert gram to kilogram, we divide. So here we are doing the time chapter. So here there is an example. So here in the example you can see that 1 minute is bigger than 1 second. So when we convert minute to second, what we do, we multiply by 60. What we do, we multiply by 60. In the same way, if we want to convert second, the smaller unit to minute, the bigger unit, we divide by 60. Why we are dividing by multiplying by 60? Because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. The standard of minute and second is 1 minute is equals to 160 second. That's why we are multiplying by 60. Okay. In the previous lecture, last lecture, when we convert the kilogram into gram, with which number we multiply? We multiply by 1000. Because in the kilogram and gram, the standard is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So whatever the standard is, we will multiply by that number. Okay. Now here there is a table of converting units of time. Here is the table of converting of units of time. For example, if you want to convert hours into minutes, so we will multiply by 60. Why we are multiplying by 60? Because hour is a bigger unit and minute is a smaller unit. So when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. And the standard of hours and minute is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. That's why we are multiplying here by 60. In kilogram and gram, in milliliter and liter, in kilometer and meter, we were multiplying by 1000. But here we are multiplying by 60. Okay, remember the difference. In the time we multiply by 60, and in the measurement chapter we was multiplying by 1000. Okay. Now if we want to convert minute, the bigger unit, to second, the smaller unit, we will multiply it by 60, because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. In the same way, if we want to convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide. Okay, we will divide. When we convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide by 60. Okay, we are dividing by 60 because the standard is 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Then in the same way, if we want to convert minute, the smaller unit, to bigger unit, hour, we will divide by 60 because the standard is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. That's why we will divide by 60. Okay beta, got it? Here is the table of conversion of weeks to second. Here you can see that when we convert week, the bigger unit, to days, we are multiplying not by 60, we are multiplying by 7. Why we are multiplying by 7? Because the relation between week and day is 1 week is equal to 7 days. That's why here we are multiplying by 7. Okay. Then if if we want to convert days to hours, okay, when we convert the days into hours, into the smaller unit, we will multiply. But here we are multiplying by 24. Why we are multiplying by 24? Because the standard is 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, because here the standard has been changed. Now the standard is 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Now when we convert hours to minutes into minutes, from the bigger unit to smaller unit, we will multiply it by 60. Here the standard has been changed, and now the standard is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, every time you see that the standard is changing. From week to day, we was supposed to multiply by 7. Then when conversion of days to hours, we will multiplying by 24. And now when the hours will convert into minutes, we will multiply by 16. Okay. And when we convert minute to second, we will multiply it by 60, because there is standard, the relation between minutes and second is 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. In the same way, when we convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide with the relative standard. Okay, here you can see in the bottom that when we convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide. Okay. Now here is the question. Convert 7 hour into minute. What we will do? There is a conversion of hour into minute. Okay. Now we will convert the bigger unit to smaller unit. Hour is a bigger unit and minute is a smaller unit. So what we will do here? Tell me. We will multiply or divide. Who will tell me? Here we will multiply or divide. Tell me in the chat box. We are converting the bigger unit into a smaller unit. So what we will do here? Everybody tell me in the chat box that whether we will multiply or divide. Yes, beta. Amna, Usman, Alia. Tell me, beta, what we will do? We will multiply or divide. Arham, Nabiha, Muhammad Ahmad, beta, tell me that whether we will multiply here or whether we will divide here. No, beta, Nabiha, we will not divide. Let's see here. We are converting hour, the bigger unit, into minute, into smaller unit. So what we will do here? We are converting the bigger unit into smaller unit. So what we will do? We will multiply here. Okay, we will multiply. In the previous slide, what I told you, that when we convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. So in the same way, here first of all we will write here the standard. Always remember, whenever you will convert any question of measurement or hour, first of all you will write the standard. Okay, whether you are doing the question of conversion of milliliter, liter, kilogram, gram, kilometer, meter or hour to minute, first of all write the standard. Okay, so here the standard of hour and minute is, since 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, so you will write here 7 hours. 7 hours is equals to 7 multiplied by 60 minutes, because we are converting hour into minutes, so that's why we are multiplying by 60. Okay, if there is a question of conversion of day to week to day, we will multiply by 7, but here the question is hour to minute, so that's why we are multiplying by 60. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 60 is equals to, who will tell me the answer? 7 multiplied by 60 is equals to, yes beta, 7 multiplied by 60 is equals to, yes, who will tell me that 7 multiplied by 60? Alia, for Muhammad 20, just Muhammad Usman is listening the lecture, otherwise all are sleeping. Nobody is telling me the answer. It is very easy answer, 7 multiplied by 60. Yes Usman, very nice beta, very good, excellent. What about the others? Are they all sleeping? 7 multiplied by 60 is equal to 420 minutes. 420 minutes. Okay. So now we have converted this 7 hour into minutes, and the answer we get is, we get 420 minutes. We get the answer 420. Ashif, don't you know the table of 6? 427. How can the 427 answer come? 7 6 are 420, and after 7 6 are 420, we add the 0 here. Okay. Now come to the another example. Yes Alia, very nice. Now come to the another example, and you will tell me by how to solve. Okay, I will not tell you now in this question, you will tell me how to solve. I will ask from Muhammad Ahmed. Muhammad Ahmed, Muhammad Ahmed, beta, how to write, what we will write in the first step? Tell me what we will write in the first step in this question. We will do the solution, or first of all we will write the standard? Yes, tell me what we will do here. We will write the standard, or we will do the solution first? Yes beta, tell me. Unmute yourself. Yes beta, Mohammad Ahmed.
स्टैंडर्ड मिस.
हाँ वेरी नाइस बेटा, स्टैंडर्ड तो लिखेंगे ही, लिखेंगे
स्टैंडर्ड मिस.
स्टैंडर्ड में क्या लिखेंगे, क्या लिखेंगे स्टैंडर्ड हमारा, क्या होगा स्टैंडर्ड आवर और मिनट्स का?
1 hour is equals to 60 minutes.
Yes, excellent. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Very nice. So here we will write the standard, and the standard is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay. Now yes, Manahil, unmute yourself and tell me the next step. Yes बेटा, स्टैंडर्ड हमने लिख लिया है. Now what will be the next step? What we will write here? Yes beta, what we will write here in the next step? Manahil, tell me the answer. And the other students can tell me the answer in the chat box.
Yes, teacher.
बेटा मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि अब इसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा। हमने स्टैंडर्ड तो लिख लिया है, अब हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट स्टेप में?
When the sound is ba. When the sound is
यस बेटा,
capital C. मम्मा देखिए.
okay. Who will tell me the answer? Alia, you will tell me the answer or not? Unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
And the sound is
Yes beta.
5 multiplied by 15 minutes.
No. 5 we will.
The sound is F.
How is it?
No beta.
दे देगा ना.
Alia, बेटा this is not the correct answer. 5 multiply by 15 कैसे करेंगे? 15 थोड़ी स्टैंडर्ड है. Here you can see. First of all, we will write here 5 hours 15 minutes. Okay. Then we will break this part into two parts. Okay. We will separate hour in one part and separate the minutes into another part. Okay. We will break into two parts, hours in one part and minutes into another part. Now we will convert. Minute is already in minutes, so we will not touch the minutes. Okay. Minute is already in minutes, so we will not touch the minute. We will just convert this hour, 5 hour, and we will write the 15 minute as it is because it is already in minutes. So there is no need to convert the minute into minutes. So when we convert 5 hour into minute, we will multiply it by 60. We will multiply it by 60 because the standard is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now what answer we will get after 5 multiplied by 60? What answer we will get after multiplying 5 by 60? Yes, Muhammad Hashir. Muhammad Hashir, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Yes, miss.
बेटा 5 multiply by 60 क्या आंसर आएगा?
Yes.
5 times 60 is equal to
300.
very nice 300. So we will write here 300 और 15 मिनट्स का क्या करें? इसको क्या करेंगे? इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 15 मिनट को क्या करेंगे बेटा? We will write 15 minutes as it is. Okay, we will write 15 minutes as it is because it is already in minutes, so we will not touch it. Now Arham Khalid, sit properly. Arham Khalid, beta, tell me what answer we will get after adding 300 minutes plus 15 minutes. जी बेटा क्या करेंगे हम? What answer we will get?
Plus.
प्लस तो करेंगे और आंसर क्या आएगा? What answer we will get here? Yes बेटा quickly.
300 minutes में plus 15.
Yes Mohammed Usman, very nice, very good.
315. Miss 315.
315 और उसके साथ यूनिट क्या लगाएंगे आगे 315 के साथ? What unit we will write here? Hours or minute? हम क्या लगाएंगे 315 के आगे?
Minute. Minutes.
Yes, very nice. So the answer we get
Teacher,
here.
minute.
जी बेटा सही है Arham, very nice. So the answer we get here 315 minutes. Now our hours and minute has been converted into minutes. Okay, beta, got it? Now come to the next question. Take out any loose sheet. Everybody take out any loose sheet, or you can take out any your copy number 2 also. Take out your copy or any loose sheet. Everybody take out any loose sheet. Mohammed Ahmed, I'm watching you. Take out your loose sheet or any rough copy so we could start this work. Alia, very nice. Anahil. There is no need to tear the page. Alia, बेटा पेज को tear नहीं करें, बस ऐसे ही कर लेना. And everybody focus your camera on your faces. Take out your any loose paper, any loose sheet or any rough copy and convert 10 hours into minutes. Convert 10 hours into minutes. So what we will do first? सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? आराम खालिद का पूरा नाश्ता पानी चल रहा है साथ साथ. Anam, take out your loose sheet or any rough copy and start doing your work. Continuously you are eating or drinking something. Yes, now write the question and convert this 10 hours into minutes. What we will do first? सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? We will write the standard first. Always remember, whenever we convert the units, whether it is the units of measurements, whether it is the unit of time, we will write the standard first. Okay? Without writing the standard, your answer will not be accepted. Okay? So we write the standard. Since 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, the dotted, these are the dot of since. Okay, remember ये जो dots बने हुए हैं उल्टे, इनको हम कहते हैं since. It is the symbol of since in maths language. Okay, we don't write complete since, we write since. Now after this, what we will write? ये क्या हो गया? टाइम ही चला गया. Yes, beta. What we will write here? After this, we write the question. Here 10 hours. We write here 10 hours. 10 hours is equals to 10 multiplied by 60 minutes. We are converting hour into minutes, so that's why we are multiplying by 60. Okay. In the chapter measurement, we were supposed to convert kilogram into gram, so where we were multiplying by 1000, and here we are multiplying by 60 because the standard is here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, beta, listen carefully. After this lecture, I will upload the assignment quiz on the Google Classroom about these topics. Okay, these topics which we had studied today. So I will upload it, and you will do it in the Google Classroom, and try to be um, uh, careful that it is not your test. You can do it and you can attempt it again and again. Okay, listen the lecture again from the YouTube channel and then try to attempt the quiz. Okay, the quiz is about the topic time. Okay, so now what we will do here, 10 multiplied by 16. Who will tell me the answer? Tell me in the chat box, 10 multiplied by 60, what answer we will get? Zoha Asif, unmute yourself and tell me that 10 multiplied by 60 is equals to, बेटा बताइए क्या आंसर आएगा 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 का?
600.
वेरी मच नाइस, 600. और 600 के आगे क्या लगाएंगे हम? आवर्स लगाएंगे, मिनट्स लगाएंगे. वेरी नाइस नबिया. बेटा योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. 1060 कैसे होगा? 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60, आपका आंसर 1060 थोड़ी आएगा. मोहम्मद उस्मान बेटा आंसर क्या आएगा इसका? 6000 नबीहा. डोंट यू नो द टेबल ऑफ 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60? 6000 पहले 1060 आया, अब 6000 आया. डोंट यू नो द टेबल ऑफ 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6? कंप्लीट सिंपल. आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें. 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 इज इक्वल टू 60 एंड देन ऐड 0. Okay, 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60 and then add 0. 10 60s are 10 times 60s are 600. 10 times 60s are 100. So we get the answer 10 hours is equals to 600 minutes. Everybody, have you done your work? Show me your copy work. If you have done, show me your work. Manahil, Alia, Usman, Mariam, Hamna. Very nice. Hamna बेटा इसको स्ट्रेट कर अपनी कॉपी को. Yes, Shanfa, very good. Very nice. Excellent Nabiha, you did your work very nicely. अभी ना वो हो गया, कनेक्शन गायब हो गया. So here beta I am Yes. Everybody have done the work? So, after doing this work, I will upload. No, Anya, no problem if you don't have any copy, no problem, you can do this work in any use sheet, okay? I told you before doing this work that do this work in any use sheet. So if there is no copy, no problem, you can do this work in any rough copy or in any use sheet, okay? All the rest of the students are doing the same way. They are doing in the use sheet or in the rough paper, okay? This question is just for practice, okay? This question is just for your practice. After this, I will upload the quiz about this topic time in the Google Classroom. You will do it, okay, again and again. You can do it again and again. It is not a test, it is just for your reinforcement, okay? So, be careful whenever you write the time in words and minutes, in numbers, be careful that the question is asking about the time in words or in time in words, numbers, okay? If the question is about the time in write the time in words, you will write the time in words, okay? And when the time is of write the time in numbers, then you will write the time in numbers. Don't mix the question. And in the same way, I hope you have got how to find the time in AM and PM. So who will tell me what is AM stands for? What is AM stands for? What does AM mean? AM stands for? Tell me in the chat box. AM stands for? Now the time is going to finish. So the lecture can be finished at any time. Okay. So just be careful that after this I will upload the quiz on the Google Classroom. You are supposed to do it. Okay. Because yesterday quiz was done by only 10-15 students. The other students have not done this quiz. So try to solve the quiz, try to attempt the quiz daily. And those who have not attempted the quiz